Bright Duty. Every student matters.
A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Right? Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter. So, we are given a triangular board here with side A. This is an equilateral triangle, so all the sides are A, and its perimeter is 180. So, 3A is equal to 180. Hence, we can say the side is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay. What will be the area of signal board? Now, in this question, it is mentioned that we need to use Heron's formula to find the area. Otherwise, we could have directly said that it is equal to root 3 by 4 side square, that is 60 square, 60 into 60. So, the area is equal to this, which is 900 root 3 centimeter square. But in this question, we need to use Heron's formula to find the area, and we can also verify whether our answer is correct or not, because we already know our answer, right. So, to use Heron's formula, first of all, I will need semi perimeter, that is sum of the sides by 2, that is 3A by 2, which is equal to 3A is already given 180. So, 180 by 2 is 90. So, let me apply the formula. This triangle, this little triangle, or we call it delta also, this is a symbol for area. So, it is equal to S. Let me write the formula for you first. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So, now we will replace these by its values. So, S is 90, S minus A. Now, you know all the sides are A, all the sides are equal, that is 60. So, we will write 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60 here. Okay. So, what is this? This is 90 into 30 into 30 into 30, and 90 can also be written as 30 into 3. So, what we have got here is 3 into 30 into 30 into 30 into 30. Now, if you take the square root, this will become 30 and this will become 30. So, one pair will come outside. So, 30 into 30, 900 will come outside, and this 3 will remain inside. So, this is 900 root 3 centimeter square. Okay. So, this is the area that I have calculated using Heron's formula, which has to be same like this if your answer is correct, right. You cannot have two different answers by using two different methods. In mathematics, whichever method you use, you will arrive at the same answer if your method is correct. Okay. Let us look at this one. We have got a triangular side walls of a flyover, and these are used for advertisements. Sides of the walls are these, sides are given, and then advertisements yield an earning of 5,000 per meter square per year. Okay. The company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So, the first and foremost requirement is to calculate the area of this triangular region which the company is hiring. Now, to calculate the area, we need the sides which are already given. Let us say A is 122, B is 22 and C is 120. So, first thing, semi perimeter, which is 122 plus 22, 120 by 2, right. So, what will be the value of this semi perimeter? This 122 and 22 is 144, 164 and 264. So, this is 264 by 2, which can be written as 132. So, semi perimeter is 132. Now, I can directly find the area of this triangular region. So, area that we are looking for is equal to semi perimeter 132. Now, S minus A, 132 minus this side, 132 minus this side, and then 132 minus this side. So this is the Heron's formula that I have used here. Now I can write it like this: 132 into this is 10 into this is 110 and this is 12, right. So to further simplify it, we can write it like this: 132 is nothing but 11 into 12, right, and this is 10. 110 can be written as 11 into 10 and into 12. What I am trying to do is I am trying to make the pairs so that I can calculate the square root easily. So this I have got a pair of 12, pair of 11 and pair of 10. So my answer will be 10 into 11 into 12 for this area, which is in meter square, right. 12 into 11 is 132 and into 10 will make it 1320 meter square. So I have got the area of that region. Now let us look at the amount that we need to pay. So advertisement yields an earning of 5,000 per meter square per year, okay, and the company has hired for only 3 months. So the earning is 5,000 per meter square per year, right, for 3 months. So per year means this is for 12 months, right. 5,000 is rupees 5,000 is for 12 months. So for 1 month you have to pay 5,000 divided by 12, and for 3 months you will have to pay 5,000 by 12 into 3, that is 1250 rupees for 3 months. Now this is for 5,000 meter square per meter square per year, right. So now you have to pay 1250 rupees per meter square for 3 months, right. 12,050 per meter square. So this is for 1 meter square. For 1 meter square, you need to write the statement in full, okay. You have to pay rupees 1250, right, and this is obviously for 3 months, okay. So for the area 1320 meters square, you will have to pay 1320 into 1250. I hope you have understood this question, okay. Now you just need to calculate this, and this answer will be in rupees. So to calculate this, what I am going to do is I will write it in form of 5,000 by 4 once again, okay. So it will be 330. Now 3 zeros and 1 zero here, I will have 4 zeros in the end, and 5 into 33 will give me 165. So the company has to spend this much rupees. How much rent did it pay? The company paid a rent of this much, okay. All right. Now there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in same color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the side of the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. So we just need to find the area of a triangle with sides 15, 11 and 6. This is the crux of this question. So we just need to find the area having these dimensions with us. So the first thing we will find is semi perimeter, which is, let us denote it by S. and it is equal to 6 plus 11 plus 15 by 2. Okay. 15 plus 11 is 26, 26 plus 6 is 32, 32 by 2 is 16. Now area, it is equal to square root of S, which is 16, S minus A, let it be 6, S minus B 11, S minus C, let us take 15. So this will give me the area. 16 into this is 10, this is 5, this is 1. So we don't have to worry about this. Now let us look at the other things. 16 can be written as 4 into 4, 10 can be written as 5 into 2, and there is a 5 here. So we have got two pairs, 4 into 4, 5 into 5. So 20 can be taken outside and 2 will remain inside. 20 root 2, and you need to take care of the unit. It is in meters, so the area will be in meters square. So this is the area of this triangle, 20 root 2 meter square. Okay, so this was what we had to find out in this question. Let us move to the next one. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So this is another easy question where all the dimensions are given. The only twist is that he has mentioned about perimeter and given two sides to us. So let the third side be x. So we can say 18 plus 10 plus x is equal to 42. This is the perimeter, right? So sum of all the side lengths is equal to the perimeter. Hence x is 42 minus 28, which is 14. Right. So the third side is 14. Now I have got all the dimensions, 18, 14, 10. First thing, I will find semi perimeter by adding all these and dividing by 2. Okay. So it is equal to 21. Why? What I have done is I have taken 9 plus 7, that is 16, plus 5, 21, because I need the halves of these sides. So anyways, semi perimeter is 21. If you add these, you will get 42. So 42 divided by 2 is 21. Now what is the formula for area? It is S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. I may not write the formula in all the questions, but when you are attempting this question in your examination, in your final examination, you need to write the formula using the Heron's formula, which says this, and then you put the values. So you will put 21 for S, and then you can name these sides as A, B and C, and then 21 minus 18, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 10, and this will give you your area. So let us calculate this. 21 into this is 3, this is 7, this is 11, right. So this is 21 and 7 into 3 is also 21. So 21 can be taken outside and 11 will remain inside. 21 root 11, and take care of the units. This time unit is centimeter, so the area will be in centimeter squares, right. 21 root 11 square centimeters is the area of this triangle, right. Now for semi perimeter you didn't have to add these also, right. I just saw that we were given the perimeter also. So you could have divided this directly by 2 and find the semi perimeter here, right. So take care of these small things also. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So the sides are not given directly, but we can find them easily. Let the sides be 12x, 17x and 25x. Right. Why I have taken it like this? Because I need to maintain this ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25. So, I have taken the sides as these. Okay. You may use any other variable apart from x also, right, that does not matter. You may use k, t, s, anything, okay, but do not use s in these questions because we are going to use s for our semi perimeter. So, let us add these 12x plus 17x plus 25x, it is given as 540. So, the perimeter is given as 540. Now, 12 plus 17 is 29, 29 plus 25 is 54. So, 54x is 540, hence x is equal to 10, right. Now, I have got the side measures, that is 12 into x, that is 12 into 10 is 120, similarly 170, 250. So, these are the sides and the unit I need to maintain is centimeter. So, I have got the dimensions, right. So, what is semi perimeter? Again we can add these and divide by 2, or we are directly given the perimeter. So, 540 by 2 is the semi perimeter, that is 270 centimeter. Now, I have got all the sides, I have got the semi perimeter. So, I will directly apply the Heron's formula, which is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This gives me 270 into 270 minus 120 is 150, 270 minus 170 is 100, and 270 minus 250 is 20. Now, let us look for the pairs that we can make. This is 3 into 9, and these zeros I will write separately. This is 1 0, 2 zeros, 4 zeros and 5 zeros. So, let me write it here, 5 zeros, right. So, this is 27. Now, 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 20 can, now 0 I have already considered here. So, only 2 is left, right. So, we have got a pair of 3s. This 9 can also be calculated easily, right, and this 5 into 2 makes another 0. So, what I can do is I can take 9 outside, right, because this is 3 into 3 is 9 and this another 9 here. So, 9 can be taken outside and this will result into another 0, which makes it 6 zeros here. So, 3 zeros can be taken outside. So, it is 9000 centimeter square. If you are not comfortable with this kind of calculation, you can do your own calculations, right. After I tell the concept here, rest depends on you, right. You do the calculations yourself. So, you will get enough practice for calculations also. Okay. Let us move on to the next one. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. So, two sides are 12 and 12. Let the third side be x. So, perimeter, that is 12 plus x is 30. So, x is 6, 30 minus this 24. So, x is 6 centimeter. Now, I have got all the three sides 12, 12 and 6. These are the sides. What is semi perimeter? It is half of perimeter. So, perimeter is already given, that is 30, half of 30 is 15. Okay. Now, let us apply the formula. Semi perimeter, now S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, right. So, it is equal to 15. After this, the calculation part is left, okay, into 3 and 15 minus 6 is 9, okay. So, this is 3 into 3 is 9, there is another 9. So, 9 can be taken outside and square root 15 will remain inside. So, 9 root 15 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Okay, I hope you have understood the method. In these questions, the sides were not given directly, but the perimeter was given. So, it was very easy to find the sides. Okay, and the perimeter was given, so we could have divided it by 2 to find the semi perimeter also. Okay, and then it was about putting the values in the formula that we have learnt for calculating the area of the triangle, that is square root s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where s is semi perimeter, that is a plus b plus c by 2.